Well, both sides are digging in their heels in the debate over gender-affirming medical care for minors.
Families with transgender children are asking a court to review a previous decision that allows the state to move forward with a ban on such treatments.
The new Alabama law says doctors who provide minors with hormones or puberty blockers can be charged with a felony. But opponents say the state should not interfere in a family's private medical decision. Political reporter Aaron Davis is live tonight. And Aaron, why are these families asking a judge to reconsider?
Well, Val, attorneys representing the families believe the judges used the wrong standard to make their ruling and allow the ban to move forward. Now, the ban is not completely in effect, but there are only a few legal steps until Alabama can enforce it.
It's really causing young people to slide back into really struggling, and then their parents just feel helpless.
Minter is one of the lawyers representing families in the case. He says the decision to lift the injunction conflicts with precedent.
The Supreme Court and the 11th Circuit previously have held in no uncertain terms very clearly that parents have a fundamental right to seek and follow medical advice for their own children.
Minter says the decision will impact more than the transgender community.
There's now a decision saying that parents have no protected right to be the ones, rather than the government, to make medical decisions for their own children.
Any argument that this is some broad-scale attack on parental rights is just false. You know, the court was narrowly tailoring its ruling.
The Alabama Attorney General's office, in a separate court filing in district court, called the hearing request a, quote, delay tactic.
We believe that the three-judge panel issued not only a very sound legal opinion, but one that's consistent with the intentions of our legislature.
While the decision only applies to Alabama, it's a victory for Republican-led states that are attempting to put restrictions on gender-affirming care for minors. At least 20 states enacted similar laws.
I think it's designed to protect kids. You know, when we see that this is a failed European experiment, what it is that they are attempting to do is not accepted.
The lawsuit is not over. The Attorney General's office is preparing for trial in April. Now, the plaintiff's lawyers say they don't want to take the case to the Supreme Court, but they will if they need to. Val?
All right, thanks a lot, Aaron. Alabama doctors say even before this lawsuit went into effect, they do not prescribe puberty blockers or hormones to underage children.